everyone, my name is Anisha and today I'm going to teach you how to make a Pikachu. So I also wanted to say hello to my Instagram family. I've never done a face reveal before and thanks for joining me here and enjoying what I post. So let's get on to the materials. So what I used was some polyester and I used Morning Glory brand, and that's the only brand that works for me. And also I used some wool and needles and like this cap thing. So I got all of these from Daiso, and if you know me, I love Daiso. And so for the cap, this is optional, but like you can stick two needles in here, and if you poke it, it's just faster to work with, but it's not necessary. And oh yeah, here. For Pikachu's eyes, I used polymer clay, but I also glazed it with resin. But you can also use wool or even like a bead for the eyes, but I just like the look of it. So let's get on to the video. So I set up my needles, and then for the body itself, I took the polyester and just started to poke it wherever it was protruding and added more polyester as it went. So it is the next morning and this is where I've gotten with Pikachu, and this originally wasn't my goal, but I figured I couldn't make it that big in 5 hours, so maybe I thought I could make it life-size. But then when I searched up how big Pikachu was 1 foot, so I couldn't make 1 feet of like Pikachu in 5 hours. So this is what I'm ending up with. I'm going to add the paws right now. For Pikachu's paws, I indented the place where I wanted the paws to be with my fingernails, and I also did the same with the head before, and then I added polyester on top of that. For Pikachu's feet, I just made an oval out of the polyester and attached it onto the body. Repeat on the other foot. For the tail, I made a pancake shape out of the polyester. When you're felting it, make sure to turn it over from time to time so it doesn't get stuck on the board. After folding and felting it to make it thicker, I drew the tail shape and I cut it out. For Pikachu's ears, I made another pancake shape out of the polyester and I cut it out and trimmed it to my liking. And then I rolled it up together and attached it using the needle. Then I cover the ears using the wool. After I was finished making the ears and the tail, I started to felt the wool onto the body of Pikachu. And then I just went to cover Pikachu with the wool, and I also, on the back side, did some design. And then I attached the ears on by just felting it. Do the same for the tail. For Pikachu's eyes, I made my own using polymer clay and the wire, and to put it in, I just poked a hole at the same spot to make sure the wire could fit in. After attaching the nose on and the mouth using a thin strand of the wool, you are done! Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!